Integrating Citrix with other IT systems. Citrix is a top provider of virtualization, networking, and cloud services. Their tools help organizations improve their IT and boost productivity. Integrating Citrix with other IT systems will create a seamless, interconnected environment. Citrix software integration. Citrix offers many software solutions, like Citrix Zen App, Zen Desktop, and Workspace. They help organizations virtualize apps, desktops, and networks. Integrating these software solutions with existing IT systems can create a unified platform. It will simplify management and enhance the user experience. Data integration and enterprise systems. Data integration is vital for organizations. They want to sync data from various sources. Integrating Citrix with CRM and ERP will ensure seamless data flow across platforms. This will improve decision-making and efficiency. Cloud integration and networking. Cloud integration lets organizations extend their IT to the cloud. It enables scalability, flexibility, and cost savings. Integrating Citrix with cloud services lets businesses use virtualization and automation. This will boost network performance, optimize resource use, and improve security. Application integration and Citrix Workspace. Citrix Workspace is a unified platform. It provides secure access to apps, data, and services from any device, anywhere. Integrating Citrix Workspace with other apps can boost collaboration, productivity, and user experience. Conclusion. Integrating Citrix with other IT systems is a smart move. It can help organizations streamline operations, improve collaboration, and enhance security.